Hello guys, this is Sharon Tips. Today I show you how to add website to home screen iPhone. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because feedback helps me. Alright, and first open Safari browser and open your website. Open website and click on this share, alright, and scroll down and click on add to home screen. Alright, click on this and write name and click on done. Alright, and that's all. This website, add to home screen and click on and open Safari browser this website. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because feedback helps me. Bye bye.